Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be going over the different connectors within Claude. So if you go to the Customize tab and you go to Connectors, you're going to see a whole bunch of different connectors that you can leverage. There's different ones that you can connect through the web. So if I just go Add, you can browse connectors and you can see these are all of the connectors that are available. You can see there's plenty of different ones that you could use. You could sort it by different popular, trending. You can sort it by desktop, web, or interactive. And yeah, so we're going to use an example. One of the more popular interactive ones, we'll go with Canva. So we can create Canva designs. And so what has just happened here when I clicked connect to Canva, it's opened up the Canva tab. So then you could basically just allow. It says authorization successful. You can now close this window, check the application to continue. So now Canva is connected. So if we see here that it is connected, browse, summarize, autofill, and even generate new Canva designs directly from Claude. Make Canva a native part of your workflow. So these are the tool permissions: search designs, generate structured designs, request user permission. So it looks like almost everything is set up, but some of the right tools like uploading assets, importing designs, creating folders, all of that requires approval. And you can obviously change that. So let's start a new chat and say, hi, Claude, are you connected to Canva? What can you do with Canva? What do you recommend that we do? Okay, let's try the first one. Let's create a design, an Instagram design for Maker's Lounge. What do you need from me? By the way, Maker's Lounge is if you don't know, my community that I'm building for developers and founders and artists in mostly the Toronto area. Yeah, let's see what it can do. Wow, that's pretty cool. It actually created designs, Canva designs right within Claude. So the thing is, I actually do have some assets for my Maker's Lounge. So let me drop them in and see if you can make a Canva design with those assets. Please try to use some of these assets in your design. So I've actually now uploaded some of the assets for my community, and let's see if they can use Canva to design it that way. And I think what's interesting as well is you can actually click through and see what are the tools that were requested. So it looks like right now Canva actually can't upload the images itself, but it can create a similar design, and then we can go ahead and upload our images our way. So let's see if I can open it in Canva. Wow, that's pretty cool. So it actually made a Canva design for me. So I could definitely see myself using this in the future if I want to design something with AI and then go ahead and do some last minute edits myself, but it's really cool. So in a future video, we'll go through more connectors, but I hope that kind of gives you an idea of what are connectors in Claude. I'm also going to do a little bit of research on it. So these are the Claude docs about what are connectors. So they let you access your apps and services, retrieve data, and take actions. Yeah, so not too much on this article, but I hope you like this video. I will see you at the next one.